guys. This is Galactic Games 5000. And I'm going to show you part 2 of how to get on Minecraft. So you know how you will go to Skyless, but I found when I was checking my first video, if you see now, it's uploading right now. And yeah, I'm gonna wait. Okay. No, yeah, I'm watching Voices of Dark from the Dark. It's one of my favorite. Not even I'm not featured. Okay, so you go on Sky, you know that. So that is it. And yeah, you have all of these ones. I'm gonna go to 1.5.2. Enabled. This works. Minimap. Raise minimap. God, how dumb can I be? I was like checking my video on editor and I found this. Raise minimap. This will be very useful to me actually. So yeah, that's the part which I wanted to show you. Go to add fly. Yeah, and this is in Romanian. Skip add, it's in English. Skip add. You press on it and it's gonna show you down here. I have one of those, so okay. And yeah. Guys and girls. Install mod? No. So when you load back up, it just goes like that. Yeah, that's just about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna make videos. If you're watching it today, because I'm going to a wedding. And yeah, in the meantime, because today was a baptism. And yeah, hope this helped you know how to get mods. And I'm not gonna show you how to make zip, because I don't know how. Zip is way harder, because zip takes less memory. And it's harder to do, way harder. This one takes a little bit more, but yeah, so it's installed. You know, you can see I have TF2. I made some test videos. Yeah. And I'm gonna, but that's about it, guys. Bye.